Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn off video autoplay on X or Twitter, and here's how it is done. When you are scrolling through your feed, you might notice that videos start playing automatically like this one. If you want to stop videos from autoplaying in your feed, follow these simple steps. Open your Twitter and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. In the menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Then tap on Data Usage. Under the Video section, you will see the option for Video Autoplay. Tap on it. Choose Never to stop videos from autoplaying. That is everything you need to know about how to turn off video autoplay on X or Twitter. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.